starting. Now you see we're in F major, right? So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna look at your left hand. You're gonna starting both hands in treble clef. Left hand is on F, this particular F. We're gonna use number 3 finger because we're gonna expand to D and B flat. You see that? This will be a 5th, so we're gonna move our thumb out by half a step. And then we have 5th parallel, B flat and F. Remember the key signature B flat, C and G, F and C. And then use 2-5 because it's a 4th. Hold the pinky. And now we're gonna do number 3 again because it's the same passage as the beginning. And then you don't forget your B flat, key signature 1-5. Remember you move the thumb, and then 1-5, B flat, a 5th, C, and then 1-4, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna do that much. Now right hand is going to be having a slightly funky fingering. This is a 4th initially, right? This is a 4th. But we're gonna use a 1-2 because eventually you need to go to 5 on B flat. So that way you don't have to maneuver around. So you have number 3 on the F, right hand C together. 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the finger is a little bit goofy too. Pinky goes to C a little further. 5, 4. Now, see, this is from line to line, so it's a skip, but we're going to 5, 4, 2, 3, 4. 5th on the left hand. 1, 2, 2, 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So both the fingering and the rhythm presents a challenge on the right hand. Extend 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, new phrase, 1, 4, right? It's a 5th, but we're gonna use 1, 4 because our 5 needs to go up to A, which is a 6th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 2, new phrase 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of 1, we're gonna use 2 because we need to use 1 to play B flat, and you need to hold the top note. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's similar, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see how that works? So 3, 4. Now this actually, we're gonna make it your life easier. You can use 4 here, you can use 5 here, because this is 1, 5, and this is a 5th. So then the challenge is more in counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4 together. 1, 4 on the left hand, 1, 5 on the right hand. Hold the bottom notes for both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna do the next page. Flat, and the top note is F, right? E, top note is G, F, so 5, 2, F, 1, 4 on the A, then 1, 3, B flat on the bottom, and then the same thing here. F to F, see the outside here, this is the octave. See, those are steps, right? So this ends on A. And you know what? The bottom note here is A. You see the relationship? But it's a 6. So this is 1, 5. So F and A, right? And F. You see the relationship? So what chord do we have here? Together we have an F major chord. F major is F, A, C. C major, but we put a 3rd thirds of the chord on the top. So root, fifth, third, root, fifth, third. So fifth, go down C sharp, 5, 1, 4, 5, 3, go to F. This is the G seventh chord. So 1, 2, 5, G, fifth, seventh. And then this is C seventh chord. C, G, E flat. So now let's take a look to see what's going on with the right hand. 2. And now you need to pick up, because this will be number 2 finger, but you see we have a different note here. So you have to pick up your hand to go down by 1 step. 2, 2, 3. So 6, 6. Now see, it's the same note on the bottom. We're gonna switch from 1 to 2, and then 1, 2. So you don't forget your B flat. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Now we have a fifth, 2. Now this is a little tricky. You gotta use a 1, 2, because if you don't use the bottom note, this will be just like that. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2. Step down. But this is a fifth. And why are we using 2? Because we are going back to the fifth here. And then you see how now we use 3 on the top. But it's a 6 on the bottom, so you have to go to that. So fifth, 4, 3, 2, but fifth. Go back. You see that? So you have to practice that. I would suggest doing those things hands alone before we put our hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now if we ignore the C in the middle, this is an octave. 2. You see that? So now we're gonna add a C in the middle, which is a fourth, which is why that's 5, 2. 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. You see how the bottom note stays the same? Boom, boom, boom. You see that? So, and the top note is just a bunch of steps, right? And then we're gonna add the 8 on the bottom. 4 and 1, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the bottom note has to be held. So basically your right hand 2, 5, 5, 2, 5, but this has to go a step further, right? 2, 5, 5, 2, 5, because it's a fourth and a fifth. And now held up down the bottom, the B flat. 4, 1, 2, 3, go up a step. So this is a fifth, but we're using 1, 4 again. Why? Because we have to go up to the A. So if we put the hands together, 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. See how together it's an F major chord, right? Last page. 2, 3, seventh on the left. 4, 1, 2. So the outside, both times is a 7. Outside is a 7. So it's 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And this is a 6. Resolved to the fifth. So 1, 5, 2, and bottom no hold. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is a parallel 6, but you gotta use 5, 4 to create legato. 2, 3, 4. See, even without the pedal, I just play without the pedal, it's legato because we have this 2, 3, and and at the bottom note, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. See how that goes? So now I'm gonna play once from the beginning to the end. And that's how you learn this piece at home too, right? Number 3 finger on the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Patience. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Softly like an echo. 2, even softer with circles.